Hello. Today we are here to learn how lazy cats play. They used to run and jump to catch. However, they like to lay down and try to catch the bait. This is Jocelyn and she loves tuna. She is 3 years old and really cute. That's Borum and he is also 3 years old. And he loves jerky, cheese, pasta, meat, potato, basically he loves food. They both became lazy. They nap all day. They even sleep during the night. Look how fluffy he looks. They are so cute.